So just get comfortable, move around, adjust yourself, do whatever you have to do, cough, all those kind of things. Just play like you're in your bedroom. Now remember your Merkaba, feel the flow to your heart chakra. And also be aware of the angel from the first day. Just feel them. It's you. And this part of you is really a protector. It really does protect you. Now we're going to begin by doing the unity breath. And just follow. We're going to connect with Mother Earth and Father Sky. Now in your inner vision, see and remember a place that a place in nature, somewhere in the world, that you've been to before, that you love, with no buildings or anything around, just nature. It could be the mountains, it could be the desert, the beach, the ocean, whatever. But begin to visualize this place. See it. Where there's a river, you see the river, clouds. Begin to see the whole structure. So continue to visualize this beautiful place. And also bring in all your senses. Smell this place. Listen to the water. If there's water there, hear it. Now feel how you feel when you're there. Feel the love you have for this place in nature. And now begin to transfer that love that you feel for that place in nature to all of nature, to all of life on earth, and all the trees and animals and everything. And then go deeper and feel the love you have for Mother Earth, for Pachamama. And let this love grow. Feel it. Just let it open. Feel the love you have for her. She has given you everything. Everything you own. Every single thing you own. Including your body. She loves you. She has always loved you. And when you feel this love is strong, with your intention, send this love to the center of the earth so that she can feel the love you have for her. And then you wait until you feel her love come back to you from inside the earth and come up inside of your body. When you feel her love come back to you, let it just go throughout all of your bodies, your physical body, your mental body, emotional body, your light body. Let it move anywhere it wants to go. And just feel it in your heart how much Mother Earth loves you and how you love her. And now, without breaking this connection to Mother Earth and this love, turn your attention to Father Sky, which is all the rest of creation other than the earth, which includes the moon, all the rest of creation. And perhaps look up into a night sky and you see the Milky Way moving across the sky and the planets and the beauty that is there. And feel the love that you have for all of creation and for all life everywhere. Your Divine Father has been very quiet because he's been letting you have free will and do as you wish. But he has loved you. There's never, ever been a time when the body of the universe has not loved you. And so when your love feels strong, with your intention, send it either to the grids or to the sun or to the central sun. Or even just with your intention, you can send it into space, because it is intention that is how life feels. And so let him know that you love him. And in the same way as your mother, you wait for this feeling of love from the heavens to come into you from above. When you feel this love come into your body like your mother, let it move through all of your bodies, your physical body, all your cells, all the levels, your emotional body, your mental body, your light body, your Merkaba, everything. And now, feel both of them at once. Feel your mother, Mother Earth, Father Sky, feel their love, feel how much they love you, feel how much you love them, and also feel the love that they have between each other. And in doing this, you have brought the Holy Trinity onto earth. And this relationship of this flow of love produces a vibration within your spirit that is the key not only to entering your heart, but many, many, many other levels of higher consciousness. So as you're feeling this love, bring your attention to the center of your head and to the pineal chakra, and feel the skull around you. And remember your physical body. And let go of that place and feel yourself moving down your throat to your throat chakra. And wait there one moment. Now let go of this place and move down into your chest and continue moving until you can see or sense or feel your physical heart directly in front of you. And now turn and go to the back of the heart. We're going to use the one that's been used for thousands of years by Jesus. Go to the back of the heart. Go a little bit further behind the heart and turn and face in the same direction that you normally look out of your body. And now you're behind the heart, looking directly in front of you is the back of the heart. There's a little crevice you can see, and in there is a little rotating spot. You may see it as a light rotating place. You may see it as a dark one. It doesn't matter. Begin to move toward that place. Feel yourself moving toward it, getting closer and closer and closer. And now just go right into it and just let it pull you. Don't try to resist it. Feel yourself moving down this tube. How long we move depends on a lot of factors, but eventually you're going to come to this place where you stop and you'll feel the stillness of this place. And you're there. Just trust it. If you wish there to be light, ask for there to be light. Again, it may or may not come immediately. And now turn your attention, whether you see the light or not, turn your attention to sensing the vibration. It's all around you. You can feel it, you can hear it, sense it, any way that you can connect to it. And when you do hear it or sense what the vibration is, begin to make the sound that you're hearing by humming. And try to duplicate it as close as possible. And then after a minute or so, let go of that and begin to explore and be just like a little child and have fun. I'll be back later.